Welcome to today's lesson about a molecule that's fundamental to all life on Earth, DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Let's start with a definition. DNA is a molecule that carries the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all known living organisms and many viruses. DNA is primarily found in the nucleus of the cell, which acts like the control center. In addition, small amounts of DNA can also be found in mitochondria, which are known as the powerhouses of the cell. DNA has a very distinctive structure that looks like a twisted ladder. This is called a double helix. The ladder's rungs are made of pairs of chemical bases. There are 4 types of bases: adenine, which always pairs with thymine, and guanine, which always pairs with cytosine. But what does DNA actually do? DNA has several important functions. First, it stores all the genetic information that makes you uniquely you. Second, this information is passed from parents to their children, which explains why you might have your mother's eyes or your father's hair color. Third, DNA contains instructions for making proteins, which are essential for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's cells, tissues, and organs. Let's look at a specific example to make this clearer. If you have brown eyes, the instructions for making the brown eye pigment called melanin are encoded in your DNA. The specific sequence of bases in your DNA determines how much melanin your eyes produce, which in turn determines your eye color. To summarize, DNA is a molecule found primarily in the nucleus of cells that stores genetic information in the form of a double helix made up of 4 chemical bases. It's important because it contains the instructions for building and maintaining our bodies, it's passed from parents to children, and it directs the production of proteins needed for life. Understanding DNA is key to understanding heredity, evolution, and many aspects of biology and medicine.